All right, what is going on, guys? SpitefulHopes back again, coming at you with pretty much, how do I want to word this video? What should you do to prepare for this dupe system? And first and foremost, the easiest thing to say is hold on to your dupes. For now, hold on to every single dupe that you get. For at the very least, what's the word I'm looking for? Hold on to your garbage dupes, guys. That's like the easiest thing that I could say. Like, for example, I did feed a total of 72 dupes earlier today on stream, but as you can see here, I did keep a lot of like my Shinjis. I kept my DR20 links, and then on top of that, for strong attack recharge, if I go over here, oh wait, this is like by special move level. If I go by rarity, you'll see that I still have my 3 Mugetsus, even though I'm most likely going to use them in the dupe system. Still have my Quincy Ichigos, still have my 2 Halibels, my 14% strong attack recharge links. So my recommendation is hold on to your useless dupes, and feel free to feed the dupes of characters that you know 100% that you will be leveling up their link slot, their transcendence slots that make use of the dupe system. So one thing that I do want to note, and the reason I'm saying keep your useless dupes, is like characters like, say, Tech Izuru, the 25 NAD link, and like say you have them at 5-star. They specifically say down here, I'm gonna scroll. Here we go. Extra stat boost is unlocked at special move 5. Confers a further bonus. The extra stat boost lottery is activated either by using Transcendence points, okay? Very specifically, they say Transcendence points acquired by selling characters or by using an identical character to the base character. What that tells me is they are actually implementing not necessarily just quote-unquote a dupe system, but they're actually also introducing a shop. Now whether or not this shop has 6-star tickets, 5-star tickets is not in my real information. As you can see here, all screenshots are content that is still in development. Look out for more details. But one thing to note, guys, is that this is coming out and it's planned for late September. Now this is definitely going to ruffle some feathers, but there are two very strong things that you could do in order for you to combat this transcendence function if you don't want to deal with it. And like, there are two things that you could do. You could hit KLab with that email. They'll give you a nice automated response saying that they don't give a shit, and then you can quit the game. I mean, like I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, but there's mad people saying they're gonna quit the game, and I'm like the only real people that are getting negatively affected by this are probably gonna be those in PvP. But like, PvP is already a shit show. Like, if you don't have Noitora, you're not competing in PvP. And if you say that you are competing in PvP, you're having a tough time in PvP to begin with. Because, like, PvP is completely run rampant now with Noitoras, with gold chappies. Like, let's be real here. If I go to, like, head captains, like, I don't know if I can actually even look at it. Like, I'm in 50 because I really just, I just can't really be fucked with it. Like, it's such a fucking waste. But, like, if I go over here, like, as you can see here, like, yo, dude, Ink with Unahana, what a fucking god, bro. Yo, shout out to you. But, like, as you can see, like, PvP is pretty much just Chad, Kenny, Noitora. Chad, Kenny, Noitora. And then you got ML6 or MI6 over here. Fucking, what the fuck is that PvP team, bro? Byakuya, Toshiro, Ulquiorra? Yo, what a fucking legend, dude. Yeah, but, like, you got one Yamamoto over here. You got, like, yo, Susanoo, what are you doing, bro? Do you, like, not have Noitora? Nah, come on, you have no. I know you have Noitora. Huh. What are you doing without Noitora? Yeah, but, like, for the most part. Oh wait, hold on. Let me go back to the land of Noitora. You know what I'm saying? But, like, it's hard. It's gonna be definitely very difficult to compete without a Noitora. And now the whales are definitely gonna take over. Which, honestly, I don't even care. Like, I'm in 50. Like, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. That being said, they definitely announced this news and they worded it the way they did in order to get people to summon. Now, Noitora's individual is coming out. What's today? Yeah, 10th. So we literally have 3 days before the Noitora's individual. So that's probably why they put it out there. Get the news out. Hopefully they convince the whales to spend even more money. Now, one thing to know, guys, I actually don't think that this is a bad thing. I'm just very, very skeptical because the dupe system can play out one of two ways. The first way is probably the way like Dokkan, where it's like a dupe system. Like the dupe system is not really necessary. It's just incredibly nice. Like let's be real here. PvP is not really PvP. It's AVA. It's AI versus AI. Who gives a shit? And then the second way could be the way of Danmachi, where the character needs duplicates to even remotely clear content, which that is probably my biggest concern. I don't want them making stupid hard content that can only really be cleared effectively with duplicates. Like, I personally like the way that Senkaimon works, where if you have the characters that fit the niches, then you're good to go. But Danmachi, if you don't have three, first off, in Danmachi, your character, like, sure, everyone's guaranteed. You can pull whatever you want. That being said, like, you can pay for and guarantee whatever your shit, but if you don't have at least 3 dupes into the character, that character is not playable. Like, I have a +5 team. The character's been, like, that team's been +5 for, like, the last, like, year and a half, and, every single time I pull a new character, I'm just like, oh, that's nice, but it's unusable, because my dupes literally triple their power levels, so there's no point. Now, I'm hoping that K-Lab takes hints more from, like, Dokkan, or more from, so what's another good dupe system? Right now, Summoner's War is a pretty good dupe system. Like, Summoner's War, that being said, Summoner's War rates are probably one of the worst in the game. Probably the worst game I've ever seen in my life. 0.5% for a 5-star. That, and you're not even guaranteed to get what you want, which is kind of, it kind of sucks, because there's, like, I think I counted 24 nat 5, so 0.5% chance for it being a 5-star, and then you have a 1 in 100, it's like a 1 in like 80 chance to get the actual one that you wanted. So it's like, I mean, like, BBS ain't that bad. Like, yeah, sure, their rates aren't like the greatest, but at the same time, at the very least, when you get a character, that character is completely useful, or usable without any duplicates. You don't need no special move level. So I'm really hoping that when K-Lab makes this system, they take that into account. I'm hoping that this game stays free to play friendly, minus PvP, because we all know that that's going to be a shit show. And yeah, I mean, like, let's be real here. This is definitely going to allow the whales to spend more money. The whales spending more money, making sure that their characters are 5 out of 5, in my opinion, is actually a good thing, because that means that K-Lab, 1, is going to make more money. 2 means that they can be a lot more lenient with orb prices. So hopefully what this means is we're probably going to get orb sales, which would be great. It'll let them compete in terms of making money and trying to hit higher placings in the gacha store. Now, to be fair, whenever BBS, like, whenever K-Lab reaches, like, top 10 top grossing, which they've only reached once, their rewards were pretty shit. Like, they were fucking garbage rewards. Like, Dokkan gives us, like, multis on multis, and K-Lab gives us, like, orbs on orbs. And when I say orbs on orbs, I mean, like, they'll give us, like, 5 orbs, 10 orbs. Like, oh yeah, thanks for, like, half a single, bro. Like, I feel like K-Lab kind of, what's the word they conditioned us to be grateful for, like, 25 orb like 10 orb compensation, 25 orb, like, congratulations and shit like that. Like, they've conditioned us very well in order to be grateful for all the, like, the little bits of garbage that they give us. So I mean, we'll see exactly what goes down. At the end of the day, I don't think that this is, like, the end of the world. I think it's fine. If you actually pull dupes and stuff like that, you don't have to, like, fucking hate yourself, which is good. And yeah, I mean, if, like I said, hold on to your characters that are useless. Feel free to feed the characters that you were actually planning to use. Like, if I go over here, sort by special move level, as you can see, like, I have plenty of 5 out of 5 characters. I'm not really gonna make use of all of them, but, like, for characters like Dangai Ichigo, who's a, like, Tech Aizen, Kaname, Tech Yamamoto, full bring Ichigo. I wish I had a dupe now. I might actually end up picking up his character pack when he comes out if I don't get another dupe soon. Then you get Tag Team Ichigo, Shunsui, Thousand Year Blood War, Toshiro. I have him currently 4 out of 5, so he's gonna be a beast. So I mean, like, I don't think it's the end of the world. I think it should be fine at the end of the day. K-Lab is a company; they gotta make money, and I'm just hoping that the more money they make, the more free to play it gets for us plebeians. And like, I might not be like free to play, but like, I don't spend anywhere near as much as like the whales, you know what I'm saying? The real whales, the ones that have everything 5 out of 5, no matter what. They don't give a shit. They're just gonna summon until everything's 5 out of 5. Like those whales, you know? Like, let's be real here. If they're making $25,000 from one whale instead of like 15,000, hey man, like that 10,000 probably like can hook us up with maybe some more $4 character packs with actual good like features. Maybe they can even give us like $20 packs that actually guarantee banners. I don't know if they'll ever fucking do that, but I'm just saying that'd be nice, you know? Give us more ways to actually like aim for the character that we want instead of having to drain like 5,000 orbs like I did for Stark and then not pull Stark, you know? But I'm gonna leave it at that. You know, this guy's grind on, catch me with premium, stay blessed. Let me know what you think about this video. Like, I don't know if this video is gonna be helpful, but I really wanted to just get the news out there to just hold on to your useless dupes because there is most likely going to be a shop. Yeah. So stay blessed, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.